Hi everyone, in this lesson we will go over vocabularies related to three-dimensional figures. The first we're giving is polyhedron, which is a solid that's created by polygons, such as rectangles, triangles, squares, pentagons, etc. So there are four shapes below that we want to go over. The first one is a pentagonal prism, which if you look into the details, you will notice that the top and bottom are made up of pentagon and the front sides are all made up of rectangles. The next shape is a square pyramid, which the bottom is made up of a square and the sides are made up of triangles. The next shape is a rectangular prism, which the top and bottom are made up of squares and the sides are made up of rectangles. And the last shape is a cube, which you can tell that all the sides are squares. The focus of this unit will be on prisms, which is a 3D shape with two congruent bases. That basically means the base and top are the same shape. So let's take a look at the four shapes above. Notice how on the first one, as we have described earlier, both the top and bottom are the same shape, the pentagon, so this is a prism. The next shape is not a prism because the top and bottom are not both squares. The third one, both top and bottom are squares, so this is a prism. The last one, the top is a square, so is the bottom, so this is a prism as well. Surface area is defined as the total area of all the faces of a polyhedron. And the net is a flat pattern that can be folded into a 3D figure. Notice at the bottom right here, we have a shape that has 6 sides. And if you fold this up, the sides will meet and eventually it will turn into a box. So this is a net of a rectangular prism. To find the surface area of a figure is basically finding its net. That means in order to find the surface area of a shape, you need to know how to unfold the shape into a net.